What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how you can pay for your various services using your MTN MoMo account in the comfort of your home. So the services include paying for DStv, paying for GOtv, paying for electricity bills, and additionally on how you can purchase food items such as Debonairs. So if that sounds interesting, without wasting much of your time, let's hop straight into the video. So I'm going to launch my MTN MoMo app. Enter my password quickly. And I'll enter my OTP. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like. So where you want to go now is you click on where it's saying bills. So I'll click on it. And then you're going to be brought to this dashboard that shows you the various services that you can pay for using MTN MoMo. So paying for Debonairs actually depends on your location. But firstly, let me show you on how you can pay for DStv. So I'll scroll down, and as you can see there, DStv. So I'll click on it. You're going to have these three categories that you're supposed to fill in order for you to proceed to the next step. So firstly, you enter your smart card number. So you must know your smart card, which is obvious for you to pay for your DStv. So say for instance, my smart card number is this. Okay, that's my smart card number. The next is the amount. So let's say for instance, I want to pay for the premium package, which is approximately 1,000. And 1,000 kwacha is approximately $49. So if I'm fine with that, I want to pay for the DStv premium subscription package. So I'll enter in 1,000, and then the reference is what is this payment specifically for, so that once the recipient sees the amount, they'll be able to tell specifically what you want. So I'll type premium subscription. So if all the three steps have been filled in, all you're supposed to do is click on where it's saying pay, and you'll be taken to the next page. Okay, so you're going to be brought to this dashboard that shows you a breakdown of the transaction you're about to make. So firstly, as you can see, the service is DStv. The amount we are paying is 1,000 for a premium subscription package, and then the amount of money that you'll be charged for this service is 3 kwacha 50 ngwe. So the total amount that will be deducted from your MTN MoMo account is 1,000.5 kwacha, something less than $50. So if you're okay with that, you click on where it's saying complete, and you'd have bought your DStv subscription using your MTN MoMo at the convenience of your home. So I'll go back quickly and show you on how you can pay for your GOtv, which is a similar process. So I'll click on GOtv, and then as you can see, it's quite a similar process with how you pay for your DStv. The only difference is for DStv you enter your smart card number, for GOtv you enter your account number. So it's a pretty much similar process, but I'll enter, say for instance, this is my account number. Of course, the account number has a particular name associated to it. So for GOtv, say I want to buy the super package, which is roughly going for somewhere about 300 kwacha. Converted to US dollars is approximately something less than $15. So I'll enter the amount, and then on enter reference, of course that's optional, but it's good that you specify. So for GOtv, I'll say I want the super subscription. So once the tailor that side receives the amount and they receive the account number, they will know what exactly I want. So if you're done filling in the three fields, all you do is click on done, and then you click on where it's saying pay, and then you'll be taken to the final dashboard, which shows you a breakdown just like DStv. So for this one, it's GOtv. How much are we paying? We are paying a 300, and then the charge service for this transaction is less. It's 1.5. So the charge service depends on how much money is actually being traded. So the total amount that will be deducted from your MTN MoMo account is 301.5 kwacha. So if you're okay with everything, then you can simply click on complete and you'd have successfully purchased yourself your GOtv subscription. So I'll go back and show you how you can pay for your electricity bills. In this case, the electricity bills being talked about is Zesco. So the reason why I'm taking time to show you and to fill in each step is to bring clarity so that you can minimize on making errors, because we know money is involved and no one really wants to lose money. So for Zesco, you enter the prepaid meter number. So for instance, my prepaid meter number is this. That's just an example. And then the amount, let's say I want to buy prepaid units with 500 kwacha, which is approximately less than $25 if we are to convert it to dollar. So the reason why I'm making the conversion between kwacha and dollar is because there is that issue of variation of native currencies. So if I take it in dollar, even someone from Nigeria, South Africa, or even other foreign countries can be able to understand what exactly I'm talking about. So if you're okay with the amount, all you do is enter the reference. So in this case, the reference is prepaid units. So if you're okay with that, you click on done, click on pay, and you'll be taken to the last and final stage, which is a breakdown. Of course, the amount we're paying is a 500 kwacha, and then the total amount of money, of course, that will be deducted is a 502.5. So if you're okay with that, you click on complete and you would have successfully purchased yourself some Zesco prepaid units. Life is easy these days because of these digital platforms. So I'll go back and show you finally on how you can purchase yourself some food. Say you want to buy some Debonairs, and of course you can also pay for water bills, but the step is pretty much the same. So once you get the idea, then you're good to go. So let's say you want to purchase some Debonairs from the Kablonga branch. Maybe you like their terms of service compared to other Debonair branches. So you can simply click on Debonairs Kablonga, and then you'll be brought to this. So for pizza, you need to enter the amount depending on the pizza size that you want to buy. There's the small one, there's the medium one, and then there's the large one. So let's say, for instance, you want to buy one, so which is approximately in between 55 and 95 kwacha, range in between $2 to $5. So let's say you cost us 85 kwacha to buy the medium pizza. So you enter the reference. Of course, we are specifying what the payment is for. Let's say medium. So medium pizza. So after you're done with filling in all that, all you do is simply click on pay, and then that's a breakdown. The total amount you're paying is an 86 kwacha. So if you're satisfied with all that, all you do is simply click on complete, and you would have purchased yourself some pizza from the Kablonga branch. Upon making all these transactions, you will receive notifications using the MTN number that is linked to your MTN MoMo account on further instructions. Say, for instance, for electricity bills, you receive an SMS containing numbers that you're supposed to enter into your prepaid meter in order for you to recharge. And for the Debonairs, you pretty much receive an SMS too, and probably receive a call on where exactly you can meet the person delivering your pizza. So if you've learned one or two things on how you can pay for services using your MTN MoMo account, I really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for sticking out this far. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.